Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Professor T-Rex and in this video I am going to share with you what I regret when I started playing my Defi pet. So let's start. Here is the list. Number one, guys, I should have spent my spare money to buy Defi token when the price was only 48 pesos. So the first time I've known about MDP, the token was only 48 pesos and nag-hold kasi ako no'n ng amount 'no, kasi I was hesitant during that time pa, especially that the game that time was still under maintenance. So, bumili lang ako ng konting coins. And it was only 48 that time. And then after the maintenance, guys, biglang tumaas yung price. 50% yung tinaas niya. And talagang I regretted that moment, no? Sana pala bumili ako ng marami. Hindi ko kasi talaga inakala na ganun yung demand ng token after the maintenance. To the point na nag 50% ay nag-triple pa nga, 'di ba? Tapos yan, nag-triple pa yung price niya. So, ayan guys, no, number one regret natin, hindi ako nakabili ng enough DP token. And then number two, I should have bought 4 pets only. Okay guys, sa game kasi at the first time I played the game, nakaka-addict yung feeling na merong mystery egg, tapos may lalabas na pet, 'di ba? May feeling of fulfillment siya. Tapos syempre, exciting siya and then hindi ko akalain na umabot na ng 8 pets. Hanggang 9 to 10 pets na yung nabili ko. So, medyo regretting siya kasi guys, hindi mo naman pala talaga kailangan ng sobrang daming pets. Kailangan mo lang ng pets na may magandang stats, ayan, tapos rare if you get the chance to get a rare na pet, good for you, no? But ano lang siya eh, very low yung chance to get a rare pet. Ayan. So kung meron ka ng mga ganon, then you could just start no with 4 pets. Huwag kang bumili ng sobrang dami. Please lang. Kasi guys, napansin ko rin dito sa kanilang website. Ayan, ito siyang battle. Kung mapapansin nyo, 4 lang yung pets na nandyan. Therefore, I assume guys that we will only need 4 pets no, whenever we play in the battlefield. Ayan. So, no need for you to buy a lot of pets. Okay, tapos, another one is I should have focused on leveling up the cages and the pets. So instead of buying eggs pala, and then, yeah, instead of buying a lot of pets, no, kailangan pala doon na lang ako nag-focus sa pagpapalaki ng capacity ng cages. Kasi importante yung silver for you to buy more buildings, for you to buy crops, yan, for you to move in the game. And then, focus din sa pagpapa-level up ng pets. So if you only have 4 pets with you, then it's very easy, no, and faster also for you to level up until level 10, no, para makapag-evolve ka and also for you to be able to breed your pets. And sa akin, sobrang dami ko kasing pets, tapos sabay-sabay ko silang nile-level up para sabay-sabay din, no. And then, because of that, nakukulangan ako ng food, ayan, tapos yung cages ko nasa level 1 pa, hindi pa siya nakaka-produce ng maraming silver every hour. So, mabagal yung aking progress sa game. So, ganun guys, 4 pets, level up yung, dapat yung cages ninyo, at the same time, plant more crops para mas mabilis. Okay, another thing guys is I should have saved my D-Pet token for breeding and evolving pets. So the moment I play this game, hindi ko alam na kailangan mo pala ng token for breeding and for evolving. And I've spent my tokens guys buying eggs. So, nung time na magbe-breed na ako and mag-evolve ng pet, wala na, limited na yung tokens ko. So, another regret, no, I should have been more knowledgeable about the ins and the outs of the game. Yan, para, yun, mas nakatipid. And mas wise yung strategy ko in starting this game. Another is I should have edited the gas fee down. I should have edited the gas fee para makasave ako ng BNB. Hindi ko alam na pwede palang ma-edit yung gas fee. Sinabihan pa ako ng kakilala ko na pwede pala siya. So, ayun. I could have saved no more BNB. Ang dami kong transaction that time, guys, at hindi ko na-edit yung aking gas fee. And we cannot deny naman no, na masakit din sa bulsa yung gas fee. Ayan. And then number 6, guys, I should have been more active sa social media ng ng MDP ng my DeFi pet. Kasi doon maa-update ka kailan yung maintenance, how long it would take, pero hindi sila mga pa-contest wherein you get rewards and so on. So mas magandang updated tayo. So ngayon naka-follow na ako sa kanilang Twitter and also sa Facebook nila. And lastly, guys, ito, I should have recorded how much I've spent per transaction. So, very important pala talaga na i-journal natin yung nilalabas natin na pera, kahit yung mga transaction, mga liquidity fee, ano pa dyan, gas fee. Very important para matrace natin how much ba talaga yung nilabas natin. Kasi minsan, no, kakalabas mo lang ng pera without recording, mapapansin mo na, bakit naubos na? Magkano na ba yung nakuha ko? Bakit ganito na lang yung amount na natira sa account ko? Ayan. So, very important that you record your transactions. Even those little fees, guys. Kasi pag i-accumulate natin siya, malaki din siya. So, those are the things that I regret when I started this game, and now, no, I am trying to avoid this regret. Ayan. And anyway, guys, if you're interested to play another NFT game, meron akong video about Binimon. Ayan, it's about to be launched this July 15th. So if you're interested, you can also watch it. The link is in the description. So pwede nyo yun siyang i-check out if you want to play it. So that's it, guys. I don't know who shares the same experience and the same regrets, but despite of those, guys, laban lang. So thank you so much for watching, and see you again on my next videos. And please, if you have the time, please click like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye.